Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology class 2 once again. Today I'm going to start last chapter 9, food production and its management. So look at your book. All plants and animals need food for their survival. Food supplies nutrients and protects their body from disease. It is necessary for the growth, development, and repair of the worn out body tissues. While plants prepare their own food, animals and human beings depend on both plants and other animals for their nutrition. So basically, plants prepare their own food, but human beings and other animals depend upon them for collecting nutrition. Human beings obtain food mainly from agriculture and animal husbandry. Early human beings took to growing plants for food around 10,000 BCE. This led to the beginning of agriculture. The process of raising crops in a field for food and other useful product is known as agriculture. So you will learn what is agriculture. Agricultural is a process by which first crops in the field for food and other useful product. This process rising is known as agriculture. So it is the process by which crops in the field for food and other useful product are raised is known as agriculture. The term agriculture is derived from Latin words. Agar means field and culture means cultivate. So field में जो हम लोग cultivate करेंगे उसको ये बोलेंगे agriculture. So these 4 lines are very important. First one is agriculture. It is a process by which normally crops for the field and crops in the field for food and other useful products are raised. That is known as agriculture, and it derived from Latin words. Agar means field and culture means cultivate. Next, agricultural tasks and practices. The various agricultural tasks that a farmer performs for a healthy and good yield of crops are called agricultural practices. So for getting a good crops, farmer performs different types of activities. These tasks are also known as agricultural practices. Agricultural practices include the preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, irrigation, harvesting, and storage of food. So these processes are very important. First one, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोसेस इंक्लूड द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. पहले मिट्टी को रेडी करना, उसके बाद सोइंग ऑफ सीड को बोना, इरिगेशन उसमें पानी डालना, हार्वेस्टिंग मतलब जो वीड्स है उसको मिट्टी से अलग करना, एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड प्रॉपर खाना का सप्लाई देना. The soil is prepared by loosening and the turning off. This process is known as tilling or plowing. तो नॉर्मली हम ये ट्रैक्टर के द्वारा भी कर सकते हैं या बुलॉक कार्ट यूज कर से भी मतलब ये कर सकते हैं. सो द सॉइल इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय लूजनिंग एंड टर्निंग अप, मतलब मिट्टी को नीचे से खुदाई करके ऊपर लेके आना, ऊपर का मिट्टी नीचे डाल देना, एज बिकॉज हवा उसमें घुस जाता है और नाइट्रोजन लेवल बढ़कर रहता है मिट्टी में. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज टिलिंग और प्लाविंग. इट इज पॉसिबल बाय थ्रू ट्रैक्टर और बुलॉक कार्ट. Then the seeds are sown at a depth where they can get enough air, water, and warmth to germinate easily. The seeds of certain plants such as rice and onion are first planted in a seed bed called nursery. So normally ये राइस और ऑनियन प्लांट्स जो है इसको लगाने से पहले हम लोग नर्सरी में इसको भूनते हैं. ठीक है. Once they grow to a certain height, the seedlings are transferred to a field. This is called transplantation. मतलब except rice और onion, उसके अलावा हर चीज को डायरेक्टली फील्ड में बोना जाता है, मगर except rice and onion, these are mainly first shown at seedbed that is known as nursery. After that, when they are just getting up mature height, उन लोगों को सेपरेट करके फील्ड में दोबारा लगाया जाता है. This process is known as transplantation. Fields have to be regularly watered according to the needs of crops. When a crop is grown in a field, it takes away some of soil nutrients. Over a period of time, the nutrients get depleted. Therefore, the nutrients need to be replenished either by natural methods or by the adding manure or fertilizers to the soil. मतलब जब न्यूट्रिएंट का घटती होता है, मतलब कमी होता है, तो नॉर्मली ये नेचुरल मेथड के द्वारा दोबारा पैदा होता है. अदरवाइज वी कैन ऐड सम मैन्यूर और फर्टिलाइजर्स टू द सॉइल. Here is a box. Just learn it very carefully. We need to build our food security on the foundation of homegrown food by M.S. Swaminathan. So basically, homegrown food का जो founder है is M.S. Swaminathan. Next, unwanted wild and uncultivated plants known as weeds should be removed from a crop field. मतलब जहाँ पे हम लोग क्रॉप लगाए उसके अंदर अनवांटेड कुछ वाइल्ड और अनकल्टिवेटेड प्लांट्स जो है ये भी एक साथ उगलता है, तो नॉर्मली उसको क्या बोला जाता है, वीड्स. उसको टाइम टू टाइम रिमूव करना चाहिए. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग वीड्स फ्रॉम ए फील्ड इज नोन एज वीडिंग. ये भी याद रखना है. रिमूविंग ऑफ वीड्स फ्रॉम द पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप फील्ड आफ्टर अ regular interval, that is known as weeding. After being harvested, the crops need to be stored properly and protected from the damage by the rats, worms and other pests. The tools or machines that are used to carry out various agricultural tasks are known as agricultural implements. So normally जो weapons or machines are used for the agricultural purposes, these are known as agricultural implements. So student, hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.